Ukraine wants fighter jet in two roles. It wants to achieve air superiority over Ukraine. That's one point. And the other, which is as important as the first one, is close air support of ground troops by fighter jets with bombs and missiles.
Bei so wichtigen Sachen wie Waffen muss es um Sachfragen gehen, um rationale Abwägung. Und deshalb ist dazu alles gesagt.
My priorities as ambassador here from the very beginning were armored vehicles, main battle tanks, and air defense systems and artillery units. And we're progressing very good on all four priorities. We didn't put any request to Germany about fighter jets yet.
Most probably, those countries who do operate F-16s will be in the lead in this issue. That's the US, of course, but also the Dutch, which operate F-16, and Poland operates F-16 as well.